What is the difference between the largest and smallest prime numbers between 40 and 100? Welcome to Home of Math. It's a very important math for any kinds of competitive examination, International Math Olympiad, SET or IGCSE. So first we have to know about prime number. Look, a prime number is a whole number greater than 1 that has only two divisible. One is 1, another one is itself. It means prime number is that kinds of number which we can divide by two things. Suppose 7. This 7 we can divide by 1 or itself 7. But look, 14. We can divide by 1, we can divide by 2, we can divide by 7, and also we can divide by 14. Therefore, 14 is not a prime number, but 7 is a prime number. So, today's question, first we have to find out those prime numbers which are in between 40 and 100. So, look, here is I am trying to write some numbers, 3 colors. First is black, second red, and third blue color. Here is 40 to 100, all numbers in here. So once we find out prime number, first we have to out something. First one, even number. Second one, all numbers which unit digit 0 or 5, because this kinds of number is not prime number except 2. 2 is the only one even number which is prime, but in our question our range is 40 to 100, therefore 2 is not anything. So 40 is not a prime number, therefore I am make this red color. So similar 42, 62, 82, 40, 42, 44, 46, etc., 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 up to 100, all red color means it's either even number or last digit 0. Okay, similar last digit 5 we also omit this one because these are also not prime number. Okay, now our target from serial 41. Look, and third option we have to follow 6n plus minus 1. It means, for example, 41. Does it prime number? Yes, it's prime number. How? Look, here is our theory is 6n plus minus 1. It means if we add plus 1 with 41, it will become 42, and if we minus 1, it will become 40. Now this 42 or this 40, any one, if divide by 6, then the number will prime. So look, 42 we can divide by 6, therefore this 41 is a prime number. We also check about if the result is divided by 5 or 7, then the number will not prime. So we get already one which is 41. Now 43. 43 also a prime number. How? Look, 43. If we add plus 1, it will become 44, and if we minus 1, it will become 42. So 42 can be divided by 6. So this 43 is a prime number. So it's a very interesting thing. You can check anyone. Now look, 44 is not a prime number, 45 is not a prime number, 46 is not a prime number. Let's check 47. 47 you cannot divide by anything except 1 and 47. You may check. Now look, our 6n plus minus 1 formula, if we add plus 1 it will become 48. If we minus 1 it will become 46. 48 can be divided by 6. Therefore this 47 also a prime number. So we can note down in here. First we get 41, then 43, then 47. Now look, 48 is not a prime number, 49 is not a prime number, because 49 we can divide by 7, right? 7, 49 and 1. 50 is not a prime number, 51 also is not a prime number. How? Look, 51 we can divide by 3. 5 plus 1 it means 6. 6 can be divided by 3. Therefore 51 also can be divided by 3. This is the rules of divisible 3. 52 is not a prime number, but 53 is a prime number. So we can note here 53 and we can check 53. If we add plus 1 it will become 54, and if we minus 1 it will become what? 52. So 54 can be divided by 6. So anyone if divided by 6, then this number will become prime number. So maybe you feel some complex, but it's a very interesting rule. Please don't speed up the video. Slowly you can watch. You will learn lots of things by this video. So 53 already get, which is prime number. 54 is not a prime number. 55, 56 is not a prime number. 57 is also not a prime number, because look, these 57 can be write 5 plus 7, it means 12. 12 can be divided by 3. So 57 also can be divided by 3, right? So this one is 1 and 9. 3 times 9 it will become 3 times 19 become 57. So 58 is not a prime number. So look, so 57 we can cut, right? Here 51 also we can cut, 59 also can cut, 43 is not a complex number, it's a prime number. So 58 already red sign, it means we can cut. 59 is a prime number, right? 59 is a prime number, so we can write this one 59. Now 60 is not a prime number, 61 is a prime number. Okay, 61 is a prime number. You may check yourself, or we can follow our 6n plus 1 rules. 61, once we add plus 1 it will become 62, and minus 1 it will become 60. 60 can be divided by 6, it means 61 is a prime number, right? Now 61 is a prime number, we already marked this one. Now look, 62, 63 is not a prime number, 64, 65, 66 it's not a prime number, but 67 is a prime number, right? 67 is a prime number. 67. 60 is not a prime number, 69 also not a prime number, 70 not, 71 is a prime number. 71 is a prime number. Look, 71 if we plus 1 it will become 72, and minus 1 equal it's become 70. 62 can be divided by 6. Now so 71 done. 71 is a prime number because 71 plus 1 means 72, and 71 minus 1 it becomes 70. So 72 can be divided by 6, therefore 71 is a 71 is a prime number. So we are following especially 6n plus minus 1. Now, so we can mark this one 71. 72, 70, 73 also a prime number, right? 73 is a prime number, and then 73 can be marked. 74 is not a prime number, 75 not, 76 not, 77 is not a prime number, 79, 80, 79, yes, 79 is a prime number. So we can write 79. We can check this one. 79 plus 1 becomes 80, and 71 minus 1 it become 78. 78 can be divided by 6. So 79 is a prime number. Now 80 is not a prime number. 81 also not a prime number. Why? Because 8 plus 1 become 8, plus 1 is a 9. 9 can be divided by 3, so 81 also can be divided by 3. So it's not a prime number. 82 is not a prime number. 83 is a prime number. 83 is a prime number. So again 84 is not a prime number. 85 not a prime number. 86 not a prime number. 87 also not a prime number. 88 not a prime number. 89 is a prime number, right? 89, we can write 89 is a prime number. Okay, 90 is not a prime number. 91 is not a prime number. 93, 94, 95, 96, 97 is a prime number. So we can write this one. 97 is a prime number. And finally 98, 99 and 100 is not a prime number. So we already get our prime number. Okay, we already get our prime number. Now we can keep this one here. Now look, our question was, what is the difference between the largest and smallest prime numbers between 40 and 100? So 40 to 100 prime numbers are, we already wrote this one. We can keep here this one. Now look, now which one is largest? Largest is largest number equals to 97, and smallest number is what? 41. So what is the difference? Difference, 7 minus 1 is a 6, 9 minus 4 is a 5. So our answer is 56. So hope you cleared this one. This is very interesting and important math for us, right? So 56 our answer. So if you have any question, please write a line in the comments box, and note that we are following 6n plus minus 1 this theory. By this theory we can easily find out the prime number except 2 and 3. Okay, so thank you very much. Stay tuned with me. Bye bye.